Alright, so we're starting with Dyson V6. So our entire range of 2015 handhelds is inspired and using our V6 motor. So as you know from our previous models, our Dyson V6 motor spins up to 110,000 RPM, so faster than almost anything out here, so including Formula One engines. And what this allows us to do is get very, very powerful suction in our cordless range. So starting with Dyson V6, it's our entry level, so allowing people to get into our cordless market at a very, very, very affordable and comparable price point. And it allows you to get as much and as strong suction as any of these machines, regardless of their price point. You can see the cleaner heads vary throughout the models, and like our machines, they vary in terms of cleaner heads and attachments. So Dyson V6, all these machines allow you 20 minutes of cleaning time or run time, regardless of what you're using. And then we have 6 minutes on boost mode, 17 minutes with motorized attachments, and 20 minutes without any motorized attachments. So moving on, Dyson V6 Animal comes with a cleaner head that features our Dyson direct drive motor. This allows us to get 75% more power into the cleaner head, which then allows us to get much greater carpet agitation. This carpet agitation allows for much greater carpet pickup. And it features rows of nylon and carbon fiber filaments, so allowing for really, really great carbon fiber or carpet agitation, but anti-static properties of carbon fiber allow for great fine dust pickup from carpets and hard floors. We'll move over to V6 Motorhead. So machines are still the same, however they differ from the attachments that come with the machines. So this allows for a more complete cleaning experience. And then we'll move down to Dyson V6 Absolute, which is our top of our cleaning range. The filter is lifetime. Both of these are washable. So all you have to do is every 3 months rinse under cold water, let it air dry, and place right back into the machine. The V6 Absolute is our first machine to come with 2 cleaner heads, so you get the cleaner head featured on Dyson V6 Motorhead and the soft brush roller cleaner head. This cleaner head allows for very, very, very excellent. I can't emphasize how good the large particle pickup is on this machine while maintaining strong suction. So you're able to pick up large particles and very fine particles on hard floor. So on the cleaner head that you see on the soft roller cleaner head, the neck is slightly different than what we've done before. So we no longer have a V-ball on this. Instead, a swivel neck with a flexible tube, and this allows for much better hard floor cleaning. And hard floor cleaning, once we've done our research, we've come to find out that the way people clean hard floors is typically by pressing against the edge of like a wall, for example, and then resulting in pushing left to right. So this allows for much greater mobility and much greater edge pickup that we would see accustomed with hard floor, similar to mopping, as opposed to you would with this, which allows for great maneuverability on hard floors and carpets, but not so much against the edge on hard floors.
Okay, so what this does is it allows you to pick up large debris while still maintaining a tight seal to the floor. So within turn, a tight seal and this soft roller cleaner head, we're allowed to pick up large debris and fine dust particles thanks to these 4 sections of nylon and then these complemented by sections of carbon fiber.
I wish I had a microphone. So, as you can see, everything's captured within the bin, and you're left with a clean, hard surface. Material is easily picked up. All right, specific questions. All right, so we're starting with Dyson V6. So our entire range of 2015 handhelds is inspired and using our V6 motor. So as you know from our previous models, our Dyson V6 motor spins up to 110,000 RPM, so faster than